Hi guys! So for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-withdraw ng pera sa TikTok. Ayun. Kasi meron akong commissions from my TikTok affiliate. So, plano ko siyang withdraw. Actually, ngayon ko lang din siya gagawin. So, sabay-sabay po nating, tignan kung anong mangyayari. Okay? So, nandito ako sa may profile ko. So, click yung profile dito sa lower right side of your screen ng TikTok mo. And then, itong basket sa pangalawang, ayan, column. Yan. Click on TikTok Shop. Ayan po. And then, punta tayo sa earnings. And then, withdraw. So, meron akong 315 pesos and 34 cents. Okay? So, i-ano po natin, i-withdraw po natin yung buong balance. So, 315.34. And then, payout method natin. So, GCash na lang po. Ayan. And then, let's enter my number. Okay. May nakalagay po dito guys, by the way, note, entering incorrect information will result in declined transactions and you will be responsible for any cost associated with processing your request. So just make sure na tama po yung number and then click on submit. Yan, tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. Uy, ayan, may pinadalang code. So, enter ko lang. Okay. Ayan, tas may confirmation screen. Okay, withdraw all. Ayan po, click natin yan. Withdraw now. Tingnan natin. Ay, may service fee na 560. So that means, ang matatanggap lang natin is 309.74. Okay lang. So, try po natin. Confirm to withdraw. Ayan na po. So, withdrawal in progress. Ayan. Natanggap ko na siya guys. Ayan na po. Confirmation from GCash. You have received 309.74 GCash from TikTok. So, yun lang po guys. I hope may natutunan kayo. Ngayon ko lang din siya kasi ginawa. So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat.